Be Glorified is a song of commitment to God, and this song is special to me because, unlike the first three songs that we've done so far, in which I was the one that wrote the song, this song was actually written by my family. Obviously, there was some input from my part, and that makes it a very special song to me. Also, because of the message of this song. You know, we live in a world now where most people are looking for what God will want to do for them. What can God give me? What can I get from God? But Be Glorified is about the story or the heart cry of a man, of a woman that just want to honor God, that just want to glorify God, that just want to say, Father, no matter what I'm passing through, whether in season or out of season, whether in plenty or in want, Lord, the one desire of my heart is that you be glorified. Seeking first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and every other thing shall be added unto you. And this is the message of the song, Be Glorified. I hope you've been able to listen to it. Please, if you've not, it's on our website, and all the other songs and teaching that we've put up by the grace of God. On Thursday, tomorrow, by the grace of God, we're going to release another song. This time around, like we said, is going to be in Yoruba language. It is titled Oluwatise, the Lord has done it. It's going to be subtitled. Make sure you join us. God bless you. Shalom.